Hello, my name is Zara. It's been checking.
Good morning, everybody.
Good
Good
morning.
morning. How are you?
Good. How are you? Good morning.
I have Corey.
You have who, Ms. Bates?
Corey Hawthorne.
Is it for today?
Yeah, we were called. It used to be in front of Judge King, and our assistant said the court called and said it's now on Judge Giles.
All right, you're breaking up a little bit. Can you give me the case number?
Let me see if I have it. Okay, it's 2005864701.
I'm not sure. It says it's scheduled for Judge King April 7th.
That's what we thought. Okay, well, I'll have my assistant check some things out, and
Is it only one defendant?
I
No.
believe so. Let me see.
Nope, it's several defendants. Let me see, I think it's 2. Oh, it's 3 defendants. Do you know about this one?
I think so.
Oh, this is why, okay, so I do have the file, so are these all coming to us? It's 4 defendants on here.
I think we have to hold it.
Is it another case that somebody has? Another defendant?
It was 3 defendants, and one of them had an additional case, so then that one was Judge King, had to come to us too.
Oh. Okay, I didn't. So apparently they have to log on to get another date, is that what's going on?
No, truth, I don't remember.
So yeah, Ms. Bates, it's 4 defendants on this case.
Oh, okay.
So apparently it's been switched to Giles' docket because one of the defendants has an older case with Judge Giles.
Okay. We're just picking a date.
Yeah, but we need all 4 co-counsel, 3 co-counsels.
Okay.
We can look at the other ones, see if we already set a date.
But I only have one file. They all say April 7th,
Oh.
but they all say Judge King.
Well, that might
So I
not be
might
the
have to
one-
s-
That might not be the one I'm thinking about.
So I don't know, should I name search
Yeah.
one of them or all of them to see which one has another case?
Make sure it's ours.
Yep. I found it. It's Weatherby has another case. 61742. But wait a minute. King has the older case. This is a 586. Our case is 617.
We go to King. Send it to us.
And this one was moved to Judge King that's for tomorrow on the other case. Huh?
Who sent it to us?
It was just in today's pile. It's not on the docket, it was just with my files for today.
Oh, well.
And I don't have,
Just came.
nobody left a note or nothing, so. This had to be when I wasn't here. Oh, hold on, Judge, it's another case. But this is an older case too. I mean, a newer case. This one's set for February 1st. Okay, now, I remember this Tatiana Torres. This is too much. Okay, Ms. Bates, I'm gonna have to check this in a minute. It's too much going on with this case.
Okay.
All right, who's next checking in?
Morning, Kitty. This is Attorney Dan Bazaar. How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good. I have Leandre White. He's present on Zoom.
Andre White. All righty, who's next checking in?
Good morning, Kitty.
Good morning.
This is Elizabeth Young. I'm here on Zaria Benjamin. This case also, Lisa Lindsay is the prosecutor on this case.
Okay, she's not on yet.
It doesn't look like it yet.
Is your client still in lockup?
No, she's on Zoom right now.
Okay,
Lindsay's on now.
all right, who's next checking in?
And good morning, Kitty. This attorney Kevin Bassant checking in on Janelle Lanier, and he should be here on Zoom as well. Madam Clerk.
I'm here. I'm here.
All right.
Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
Good morning. Who else is checking in?
This is Lisa Lindsay checking in.
All right, I got you, Miss Lindsay.
Thank you.
Joe Humphrey, Monet Foster.
I need attorneys checking in. Who's next?
Ronnie Strong checking in on Zaire Vaughn.
Zaire Vaughn. What's the last name, Mr. Strong?
Vaughn, V-A-U-G-H-N. It's a case off of Judge Keen's docket.
Okay, why are you logging on in Giles?
Because it's coming from Judge Keen's courtroom to Judge Giles. I got a call Monday from the court indicating that you guys wanted, the case was transferred from Keen to Giles.
Oh, that's the, okay, you're a co-counsel for, okay, that's another attorney judge on that case. Oh, okay, Mr. Strong, I'm trying to figure out that case, what's going on. Just give me a minute, okay? Who's next? Did somebody check in? Hold on, did somebody check in on Foster?
Yes, ma'am. Joseph Humphrey on Miss Monet Foster, P number 61037.
Okay, I got you. Who's next checking in?
Lauren Morella Smith. I am the prosecutor on the Foster case.
Can I have your P number?
83353.
Any other attorney need to check in?
Good morning, Madam Clerk. It's the APA Brandon Carter checking in on Demetrius Graham.
Okay, defense counsel has not checked in yet.
Got it. Thanks.
All right. Can I have your P number?
P81584.
Thank you. Is the prosecutor here? Is it Moody or Franklin?
Franklin, I think, Louis was here.
Good morning, Kitty. It's Blair.
Good morning, Blair. You with us today?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we ready on White?
Yes.
Good morning, Kitty. This is Jail Division 3. I have Monet Foster present on camera, and then I have Brianna Grimes on standby.
Okay, we're gonna do Foster next, okay? So keep her.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Calling case number 2055787, the people of the state of Michigan versus Leandre White. Defendant is charged with count 1, weapons carried concealed. This matter is scheduled for a competency hearing.
Morning, Your Honor. Assistant Prosecutor Blair Moody from People.
Good morning, Your Honor. Daniel Bater on behalf of Leandre White, P62191. Mr. White is present by Zoom. Mr. White, can you state your name for the record, please?
So White, can you state your name, please?
Leandre, can you hear us? I see him moving, Judge. Leandre, can you hear us now?
No answers.
Leandre, you have to connect your audio.
Not at all. Is there a connection to the bogus games of election fraud? I mean, the newspaper model, like, it does look like it's polling location. Polling time. Maybe there's ballots in there, John. Millions of ballots present inside the body. And now.
Oh, yeah, I need him because he missed, I guess he missed his last appointment.
Not there.
Judge, no, he went to the last appointment. We have the report. You locked him up when he missed his first appointment.
Oh.
With the ninja foodie power,
I don't have a report.
Do you have a report, Mr. Patar?
I do, Your Honor. It was provided October 22nd of 2020.
I do not have one either, Judge.
I don't have a report.
I can scan it and send it to the court, Judge. The report indicates he was competent.
You confident?
Yes, Judge.
All right, so still need, I need him on so he can hear everything that's being said.
Leandre, can you hear us now? I can hear you. Okay, we got him now, Judge.
Mr. White, state your name for the record, please.
My name is Leandre White.
All right. Mr. Moody?
Yes, Your Honor. Someone's got a radio on or something.
If you're not in the hearing, put your systems on mute. It's not showing up.
Yeah.
All right, Mr. Moody, in light of counsel's representations that he has the report, and that it states that his client is confident, are you willing to stipulate to that report?
Yes, I can stipulate to that report, Judge. Thank you. I'll need a copy, but also, Mr. Batar, thank you.
Mr. Moody, I will use the bar journal and scan it and email a copy to you and to Kitty. Kitty, can I have your email address?
Sure, it's orqiel@36districtcourt.org.
Mr. Bitar, are you stipulating to the report also?
I am, Your Honor.
All right, and based on that, question to find that your client is competent to stand trial, and put this matter on track.
At this point, Judge, Mr. White is prepared to waive his exam.
All right.
313-965.
All right, Mr. White, you understand that you have a statutory right to a preliminary exam where the state must show by probable cause a crime was committed and probable cause you had something to do with committing that crime. You understand that, sir?
Yes, sir.
Anybody promise you anything or threaten you in any way to get you to waive your right to preliminary exam?
Excuse me, sir?
Did anybody make any promises to you? Or did anybody threaten you to get you to waive your right to preliminary exam?
No, sir.
You waive your right freely and voluntarily after having opportunity to talk to your attorney.
Yes, sir.
All right, do you have any objection to the court signing your name to the waiver form?
No.
Mr. Bitar, do you have any objection to the court signing your name to the waiver form?
No, Your Honor.
All right, court will find that you freely and voluntarily waive your right to preliminary exam that is bound over to Wayne County Circuit Court Criminal Division for arraignment on the information, which will be December 14th, 2020 at 9:00 a.m.
Thank you, Your Honor. I will
Thank you,
scan
Judge.
that report and send it to Mr. Moody and to you.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Bitar.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Mr. Bitar. We ready on Foster?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Calling case number 2061943, the people of the state of Michigan versus Monet Foster. Defendant is charged with count 1, assault with intent to murder. Count 2, assault with intent to do grave bodily harm, less than murder or by strangulation. Count 3, assault with intent to do grave bodily harm, less than murder or by strangulation. Count 4, weapon is dangerous weapon carrying with unlawful intent. Count 5, count 6, count 7, count 8, if it's felony firearm. This matter is here on a probable cause count.
Laura Morales, Messi, 83353 for the people, Your Honor.
Good morning, Your Honor. Please, this honorable court, Joseph Humphrey on behalf of Ms. Monet Foster. Wait for reading, stand mute, enter plea not guilty.
All right. Ms. Foster, can you state your name for the record, please?
Monet Foster.
Thank you. What's your pleasure, counsel?
Now, Your Honor, I'd like to address bond in this matter. I was recently retained by her brother this weekend. I do believe she's overcharged. To my understanding, to my research, she does not have a felony conviction. She was in lawful possession.
Hold on. You want to set for exam?
Yes, I would, but I also would like another PCC to obtain discovery to then set it for exam, because I understand there's video involved in this and there's a green light video involved in this. So I would like to make sure that I have all the discovery I need before I set a firm exam date, considering the time.
Well, I don't adjourn the PCCs, and the exam date is set out far enough for you to get everything you need.
Okay.
Now, we're setting the exam dates in June now.
Yes, sir.
How many witnesses?
Your Honor, there'll be at least 4.
The defense would have 2.
Vince is gonna have two witnesses for a clear exam.
Yes, that would be a Miss India January and a Marquise Barnett.
All right, we'll set this for June 21st at 10 o'clock.
Thank you, Your Honor. May I address bond?
Yes, you may.
Your Honor, to my understanding, at this time, my client was in lawful possession of that weapon. She had a CCW.
That's not the issue of bond. The issue of bond is risk of flight and risk of community.
Okay, well, she's been a long life resident of the city of Detroit. She does not have any felony convictions. She does not have an assaultive history. She does home care give for the last 5 years by a person by the Mr. name of Mr. Jerome Little. She takes care of her brother's son by the name of Jaden Carter, who's 10 years old. She has been a law-abiding citizen all of her life, and she's 28 years young. And I believe that there's a strong case of self-defense. And I would ask in this court that due to consideration of Corona and everything that's going on, this honorable court set the bond at $60,000, 10%. She is not a flight risk. She owns vehicles in the city, and she has strong family connections. They have hired me, and I am fully confident in her case and her returning to court.
All right, but if the issue is self-defense, that's an automatic question of fact. And if it's an automatic question of fact, why are we setting this for exam?
Because there's other purposes to set it for exam, Your Honor. There's other charges that need to be dismissed, and that's the only way.
People wish to be heard as to bond.
Your Honor, as to the bond, the people would state that these were very serious charges in an incident at a local gas station. We feel that the defendant fired at random at that gas station is a public safety issue, and we would require the bond to remain the same, or perhaps submit for a DSP.
I will remind the court of facts that there was only one shot fired, and the victim then subsequently chased the defendant.
Mr. Humphrey, hold on, please.
Yes, sir.
Miss Morella Smith, I couldn't hear a word you said. It was all echo.
I'm sorry, Your Honor.
I said I couldn't hear a word. I couldn't understand what you said.
I understand, Your Honor. Can you hear me better now?
Yes.
Okay. The people would state that these were serious charges. More than one shot was fired at a local gas station, which is a threat to the public safety. We would ask that the bond not be changed, and if it, but would suggest perhaps a DSP report.
All right, Ms. Humphrey, go ahead. You get this. Your motion. You get the last word. Or you get a rebuttal.
Well, Your Honor, to my understanding, the evidence will eventually show these just allegations. To my understanding, there was only one shot fired, and there's evidence to show that the victim subsequently chased the defendant. I understand that all these things have to be proven out of court, but bond is not to be punitive. 60,000, 10% is still a substantial sum for her. And I would ask this court to give her consideration. We would agree to any other conditions, the GPS test, or any other conditions that the court will feel to make her safe. But I'm asking this honorable court that she will return to court. Her favor has hired me. I have faith in them. I have the faith that they will continue their agreements, and she will continue to come forward to court.
All right. At this point, court's going to reduce the bond to 100,000, 10% with the GPS tether.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Ms. Lester, go have a seat in those bullpens where you were at. Ms. Grimes, put your mask on, please.
Your Honor, my apologies. Can I get that exam date again?
Can you get what?
That exam date again?
Oh, well, we didn't send a date, did we? Oh, this is.
Yes, we did with June 21st.
June 21st at 10 o'clock.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Are we adjourned, Your Honor?
Yes, that completes the hearing. Yes, that completes the hearing.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good day.
What'd you say, sir?
Thank you. Just hold on.
Oh,
Right.
Benjamin. Oh, she's on, right?
Yeah. Who? Who's the attorney?
Oh, Miss Young.
Yeah, she's on.
Okay. Ready on, Benjamin?
Ready.
Calling case number 2058393, the people of the state of Michigan versus Zaria Benjamin. Defendant is charged with count 1, computers using to commit a crime, maximum imprisonment of 4 years or more, but less than 10 years. Count 2, stalking and aggravated. Count 3, communication services, malicious use. This matter is scheduled for a competency hearing.
Good morning, Lisa Lindsay on behalf of the people of the state of Michigan, P number 39570.
Good morning, Your Honor. Neighborhood Defender Service by Elizabeth Young on behalf of Zaria Benjamin, P76842.
Ms. Benjamin, can you state your name for the record, please?
Good morning. My name is Zaria Benjamin.
Counsel, I'm in possession of a report on the state of Michigan Department of Health and Human Services Center for Forensic Psychiatry dated November 17, 2020. It is authored and signed by J. Knighton, that's Knightton, PhD. Consulting licensed forensic examiner. Do you have that report?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
Are you going to stipulate to the findings of that report?
The people are, Your Honor.
Your Honor, before I say anything, I believe that Ms. Benjamin wishes to address the court regarding not wanting me to represent her anymore.
Ms. Benjamin?
Yes.
You have something you want to say?
Yes, I'd like to request another court-appointed attorney at this moment.
You can hire your own attorney.
Huh?
You want to pick your attorney, then you go hire your own attorney.
I thought I had the right to choose another court-appointed attorney.
No, you don't. You have the right to an attorney, and we supplied you with a competent attorney, very competent attorney.
Well, I feel that she's not helping me to the best of my interest.
Well, then you can hire your own attorney. You can find someone you think is going to help you to the best of your interest. But I'm not just going to drop.
Then I'll go ahead with that. Okay.
I beg your pardon?
I said I will do that then. I will let you know when I get another attorney.
All right, well, we're proceeding today with this hearing. You can hire anybody you want to hire. Just make sure you give them the dates that we're going to give you the date for your exam, because I'm not going to change it. Do you understand?
Why would you change it?
Because I'm not going to change it.
I said, why would you change it in the first place?
Because sometimes attorneys come in here, especially if they're hired at the last second, saying they don't have time to prepare.
Well, I spoke with some attorneys already, and they said that they'll be able to help me with my case.
Then you hire an attorney, they'll file an appearance, and we'll take it from there.
Very well then.
Until you do that, Ms. Young is your attorney. All right, you want to stipulate to the results of the report dated November 17th?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Lindsay?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, court's going to find that Ms. Benjamin is competent to stand trial. This matter is going to be put on track, move forward. How many witnesses?
Approximately 4, Your Honor.
All right, June 21st at 11:30.
That's an acceptable date for the people.
Same for the defense.
All right, see everybody back then. Ms.
Thank you.
Benjamin, whoever you hire as your attorney, they have to file an appearance with the court, and then they'll get this date, all right?
All right, I'll do that.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye now. You know who the young lady is in the jail?
This was a comment.
Yeah, she's coming. Oh,
I got it to the form. Who is who, Judge?
the young lady in the jail.
That's, I thought that was. Who's in Wayne County Jail? Division 3?
Brianna Grimes.
Oh, that's Grimes. We're waiting on your attorney.
You said what, ma'am?
Wait on your attorney.
We're waiting on your attorney.
Okay.
He hasn't checked in yet. He's not in, is he?
No.
All right, so I'm ready on Lanier. We ready on Lanier?
Ready.
Calling case number 2059033, the people of the state of Michigan versus Danielle Lanier. Defendant is charged with count 1, weapons carrying concealed, count 2, weapons, firearms, brandishing in public. This matter is scheduled for an examination.
Good morning, Your Honor. Assistant Prosecutor Blair Moody for the people.
And good morning, Your Honor. Attorney Kevin Basant, P71061, on behalf of Mr. Danielle Lanier, who's also present by Zoom video.
Mr. Lanier, can you state your name for the record, please?
Danielle Lanier.
Thank you, sir. All right, so we're rescheduling this matter?
That is correct, Judge.
Oh.
June 21st at 9:30.
That works for defense counsel.
Fine, Judge. Thank you.
All right, thank you.
All right, thank you very much, Your Honor.
All right, have a good one.
You too.
Thank you.
Anyone else? I don't have nobody else. Let me see if I get Mr. Officer on. Good. Is Mark, Magnuson available? Come to log on to around because his client's out, she's in jail. I hate to leave them. Brianna Grimes? Yes. Thank you. Is Reggie on, Judge?
Yes.
Oh.
I'm here, Kitty. Good morning.
Is this Grimes your case, Reggie?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. Did you get Mr. Magazine?
I got a secretary, she's trying to get him now. Thank you, I appreciate you, thank you. All right. Okay. It's logged on now. Huh?
Okay, can you check the docket doesn't show we got a 1:30, but on my records it shows a 1:30.
Oh.
I don't know if someone came in and did it, they could have canceled it.
Oh, yeah, I don't have a,
I have a 1:30. Okay.
Oops. No. 11:30 and 12:30. Tomorrow there's a Zoom exam, Judge. The 1:45. It's a Zoom exam.
What attorney?
Weiner.
Oh,
It's a home invasion.
who is our court clerk? Oh, I
Should
see
be
it
Kim.
on CSR. Oh,
Is it, it's not Kim?
just a CSR 119, 5119.
Oh, no, that's not Kim.
That Kim?
No. What's 119? Is that Alfredo?
Yep, it's me.
Oh, it is.
Good morning.
Good morning. Oh. Just a second. That's the same case. Is, Ms. Bates still on?
Yep. Attorney.
Oh, and he has two other cases. Okay, Judge. This case with these 4 defendants, I'm not sure. I tried texting Antel because he's here. He was here on a day, I guess. It was one I remember because I was here when Tatiana Torres, it was a Monday, and the prosecutor said that there was another co-defendant, but he was charged like separately where they weren't on the same case, but it was related. So that case was scheduled for Judge King. So we had to pull it because we had the older case to match that one. But this one with the 4 defendants is the older case. And King has this one.
Oh.
So this one was 586, which we didn't know about on Monday. So I don't know what happened on Tuesday when this was scheduled. Because remember, we put it over to one day to get that other case from King, which was the one that goes with Tatiana Torres.
Okay. And they all.
So to me, this is the older case, and these need to go with him. That's what it looks like to me.
Okay.
I mean, the date is already set for that one. But
Magazine. Are coming on.
you said he's logging on, Judge?
Yes.
Oh, there he is. Good morning, Mr. Magazine.
Morning.
We have Brianna Grimes. Are you ready for her? She is on. She's in Wayne County.
Okay, yes, we're ready.
Calling case number 2057894, the people of the state of Michigan versus Brianna Grimes. Defendant is charged with count 1, stolen property, received and concealing motor vehicle. This matter is here on a probable cause conference.
Good morning, Your Honor. Good morning to your wonderful staff. May it please this most honorable court, Reginald Andrew, P number 80354, appearing on behalf of the people.
And Mark Magidson, P number 25581, appearing on behalf of Ms. Grimes.
All right, Ms. Grimes, state your name for the record, please.
Brianna Grimes.
Thank you. All right. Ready? We're gonna set this matter for preliminary exam.
Yes, that'd be fine, Judge. I'm not sure that I have the discovery on this.
All right. How many witnesses? Reg?
Two, Your Honor. And Your Honor, I want to remind the court that Mr. Magidson should have discovery. We were twice scheduled for exam already. Defendant KP is twice.
Yeah, you're probably right. My file's at a different location, and because I was in there.
Sure, I know all about it.
Okay. I trust that I have it.
And that would be both paper and digital discoveries.
All right, we're gonna set this matter for June 22nd at 10 o'clock.
Did the court say June, like in spring?
Yes, June.
Judge, I understand Ms. Grimes is detained, and I understand that there's probably some concern about her appearance. I would like to address bond, particularly in light of this extended exam date.
Sure.
So maybe the best thing to do, I think, is that we got a pretrial services report that could go into her background a little bit, and then I would have a greater chance to explore with her situation, because frankly, because of her absence, I have not been able to fully discuss her case and her background with her. I'm wondering if we could put this over for a week or two and then visit the issue of bond.
Well, I'm not gonna put it over. I will, I'll order a DSU report on her. And, you know, once you get the information, you can file a motion on the bond. But, you know, she doesn't come to court. She missed her exam twice.
I recognize that. I'm trying to find out, maybe there's something that we don't know about her. Maybe she's got a mental condition. Maybe she's got.
You can meet with her, and if then file your motion from there.
Okay, we'll take it from there. But if the court would order the report, and then I'll revisit this in about once I talk to her.
Yeah, we'll order DSU.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a blessed day now and be safe.
Thank you, you too. Mr. Nasser. Mr. Kenneth Thomas. We have Kenneth Thomas on here. Nope. He said for exam at 9 o'clock. Mr. Frost is coming on now. Oh, that's Kenneth Thomas' turn.
Yeah.
Mr. Frost?
Yes, Your Honor.
Is your client on? Have you talked to him?
He is not, Judge. In fact, I've had no contact with my client at all. I've written him a letter. He has not contacted me, Judge. I do not have a phone number for him.
Okay, all right, you can call that one.
Who was who, Judge?
That's Kenneth Thomas.
Calling case number 2058005, the people of the state of Michigan versus Kenneth Thomas. Defendant is charged with count 1, breaking and entry without breaking with intent. Count 2, larceny in a building. This matter is scheduled for examination. Defendant has failed to appear.
Good morning, Your Honor. Assistant Prosecutor Blair Moody for the people.
Your Honor, if may please the court, Wayne Frost representing Mr. Thomas. Again, I've written Mr. Thomas a letter. He has not responded. I do not have a phone number. I have no way of getting in touch with him other than the letter, and he has not responded to that, Judge.
All right. Okay, this matter was set for exam at 9 o'clock. It is now 9:22. KP shall enter. Any bond previously submitted shall be forfeited. New bond said 30,000 cash.
Thank you, Judge.
Your Honor, I also have Francisco Vellarino, and that's the same situation. I've written him a letter and he has not responded. And I have no phone number for him either.
All right, what about, you got Mr. Jimerson too?
Mr. Jimerson, I have spoken to. That one slipped by me. It is going to be a gun board letter, Judge. I have Mr. Jimerson also. I have talked to. We have spoken. He said he will be on here this morning, but that's not set till 10:30.
All right. All right, you call ahead and call,
Which one?
Valorino.
Oh,
Valeriano.
Calling case number 2056132, the people of the state of Michigan versus Francisco Vallarino. Defendant is charged with count 1, stolen property, receiving and concealing $20,000 or more. Count 2, larceny, $20,000 or more. This matter is scheduled for examination. Defendant has failed to appear.
Can't hear you, Reggie.
Good morning, Your Honor. Good morning to your wonderful staff. May it please this most honorable court, Reginald Andrew, P number 80354, appearing on behalf of the people.
Your Honor, may it please the court, Wayne Frost representing Mr. Vallarino. Again, I have P51-457. Again, I've written Mr. Vallarino a letter. He has not responded. I do not have a phone number for him. This was before every single case ended up with phone numbers on them. Now we don't have that problem, Judge, but he has not responded to the letter I wrote him.
All right. Well, at this point, KP shall enter. Any bond previously submitted shall be forfeited. The bond set at $30,000 cash.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. All right, Mr. Frost, well, you can come back on at 10:30, or if you get your client to come on earlier, we'll do it.
All right, let me see if I can get in touch with him. I'll give him a call right now.
All right, thank you.
Your Honor, for Valeriano, I just want to double check that we issued a KPS and the bond is revoked and the new bond is $30,000 cash.
Which one?
The one we just did with Mr. Frost, Valeriano, it's set for exam today at 9:30.
Yes.
Thank you.
No, King had a lower case. Okay, unless I can see another case, but I ran all 4 defendants' names. And the lower case was the 586 with Judge King. Okay, so you, Jesus. Yeah, but the Wednesday is over on this one, is that correct? No, he's got, July 11th, 2020 as the, oh, I see what you did. So the other one. So how come you got fence dates older communication numbers? Okay, all right. So the offense dates, Judge, we have the older offense date,
Oh,
but it's the newer
there.
case number.
Okay, yeah. Which day do they go by? I thought they go by the case number.
I did too.
What did they say downstairs?
I don't know, let me ask,
It's great.
yeah. Good morning, Miss Gray, how are you? Good, it's Kitty. I have a question. I have, when the cases are determined, you know, when there are a couple of cases, like one belongs to Judge King, one to Giles, you go by the offense date or the case number to determine who they go to. Okay.
Judge?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Jimerson is on there right now. I just called him and I can see him on the screen. However, he tells me he cannot hear anything that we're saying or doing.
I can hear now.
Oh, okay.
All right, we'll
Yeah,
do
that's
it in
what
1 second.
Angela
So
just
she's
told
on
me,
the
and I was
phone.
like, no, I think it's the case number. Okay.
That's Stefan Jimerson?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, well, where do you turn the filing date? When the prosecutor said? All right. Oh, you're talking about the entry date. Okay. Okay. All righty. All right, thank you, bye-bye. It's not the offense date, Judge, it's the filing date, and Judge King has the newer filing date.
Oh, so we got the oldest filing date.
Yep.
Okay.
Tell, because he's going by offense dates, and he shouldn't be doing that. 5, 2, 2. Anybody on?
Yeah, Mr. Frost and.
That's that board bagger, okay.
Jimerson.
Hey, and tell, it's not the offense dates, don't go by the offense dates.
Katie, Ronnie Strong here. Can I zoom into another courtroom and I'll zoom back in?
Go ahead, Mr. Strong, she's on the phone.
All right, thank you, Judge.
Sure.
Okay, all right. Yeah, I answered you back. All right. Okay. So, Mr. Strong.
Oh, he went to another zone. He went to another one. Who are the other attorneys on?
Miss Bates,
She's on.
Miss Watt never checked in, and the second defendant is Shaka?
Mr. Frost is on with his client.
Oh,
That's Stefan Jimerson. And that looks like that's a two-bagger.
oh, Jimerson?
Yeah.
The other one is, Daniel Reed.
Daniel Reed.
This wasn't a Zoom hearing, was it?
I don't have it down as a Zoom hearing. see. Hold on. Let me make sure. Nope. Wasn't set for it in here. We'll call Mr. Reed, see if we can get him on.
Kitty, excuse me, what's that case you're talking about that's gonna be transferred over?
It's not on the docket, it's, 4 defendants. You want the case number?
Yeah, do we know when that's gonna be up though at all?
It's already scheduled for, King. It's not coming to us.
Oh, okay. Don't worry then, thank you.
Yeah.
You said this one with us now, right?
No, King has the earlier date.
Oh, I thought.
He has the earlier entry date.
Okay. I thought you said we did.
No, I probably did say it, but didn't mean it.
Who would that be?
All right, I'm just trying to get Mr. Reed. Hey, good morning, Mr. Reed. How are you? Good. This is Kenny, Judge Giles.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Yeah.
A quick second before we have a minute of downtime. I'm on Demetrius Graham. We received a forensic center report back saying that he's not criminally responsible.
He's aware.
So I'm going to be asking this court for an adjournment, just so because I don't think that I intend that we're going to stipulate to the report, but since it's a different mechanism, I screwed up by notifying the incorrect person of this, so I had to notify the right person, and now we need a little bit more time.
Oh, okay, yeah. So he's on Brandon.
And I talked to defense counsel about that already.
I gotta have Mr. Nasser on the I don't know where he's at, late.
Yeah.
Oh, so he has.
I'm waiting around you. I just wanted to give you a heads up so you can at least know that I'm going to be asking for an adjournment.
Okay.
Cool, thanks.
All right, thank you.
All right, thank you. All right. All right. Mr. Reed said it's a Zoom exam.
No, it's not set for Zoom. We didn't specifically ask for Zoom. Well, I wrote it down and you wrote it down.
Let me call him. Hi, Mr. Reed. I'm sorry. Can you log on to Zoom? The judge is saying it's in person.
Judge, is my understanding, looking at the ROA, it is an in-person exam. That's what's on the ROA.
You get this stuff, Curtis. You gave her some water.
Mr. Nasser.
Okay, so it wasn't set for Zoom. One minute. Came out. Is that happening? No, that's not how. I don't know who you talk to, but Judge Giles adjourned in-person exams. He doesn't assume that they're Zoom exams because the in-persons are ongoing. Yes. Yeah, yep, he's on, yep. Yeah, once you get on, the judge can put you in the break room. Oh, okay, I see. Okay. Mr. Reed wants to go in the break room with co-counsel, Mr. Frost, so they can see if they're on the same page.
Mr. Frost? Mr. Frost?
I heard Judge. I heard Judge.
You heard? All right, I'm going to put you and Mr. Reed in the breakout room.
Thank you.
Okay.
Mr. Nasser is on in this case. Do we have a report?
On who?
Nasser? No, on Graham.
I think there was a report on the ground. I think so. Yep.
Yeah, Mr. Carter said that he was found criminally responsible, I think. Which means I assume he's.
Oh, I got competent. Is the opinion that Mr. Brown was competent to stand trial? Looks like competent to stand trial.
Oh, all right. Oh, you call it. Just
You want me to call
yeah,
it?
call it.
Calling case number 2057796, the people of the state of Michigan versus Demetrius Graham. Defendant is charged with count 1, assault with intent to murder, count 2, assault with intent to do great bodily harm, less than murder or by strangulation, count 3, weapons, firearms, discharge from a vehicle causing injury, count 4, count 5, count 6, weapons, felony, firearm. This matter is scheduled for a competency hearing.
Good morning, Your Honor. Brandon Carter on behalf of the people, P number 81584.
And good morning, Your Honor. Good morning to your staff. May it please the most honorable court, Mohammed Nasser, P74485, and on behalf of Mr. Graham, who also appears via Zoom. Mr. Graham, please identify yourself for this honorable court.
How you doing, Court? My name is Demetrius Graham.
Morning.
Good morning, Judge.
Your Honor, Your Honor, if I may. Your Honor, the people are in receipt of a report from the Center for Forensic Psychiatry dated October 26, 2020. It is for this criminal responsibility. If I can inquire with the court, if the court is in receipt of that document.
Nope. I have a report dated October 14th, 2020, as to competent to stand trial. If you got a report that says something different as a criminal responsibility, that's a trial court that deals with that. I don't deal with that. I only deal with competency to stand trial.
Okay, understood, Your Honor. With that being said, Your Honor, there's still some workings that needs to be done, and just for the record, the criminal responsibility, it came back that the defendant is not criminally responsible, essentially, Your Honor, and I understand this is not this court's field, if you will, but I'm just asking this court for an adjournment for a possible resolution, if you will, because it's very possible that we won't hold a preliminary exam, Your Honor.
And Your Honor, from the defense perspective, myself and brother counsel have consulted on this matter, and certainly we would join in the prosecutor's request.
Okay, you got to explain to me how I would adjourn it for criminal responsibility. That's a circuit court issue. That's a trial court issue. It's not an exam issue. So unless you can relate it to the exam,
okay,
I have no reason to adjourn it.
Okay, well, one thing, Your Honor, if I would ask this court to adjourn, the document that this court just referenced that was received on October 14th, 2020, I've never even received that, Judge. I'm not sure if Mr. Nasser has, but it didn't come to the Wayne County Prosecutor's Office. So I guess, at a minimum, maybe a stretch, Judge, but at a minimum, I'm asking for an adjournment because the people aren't in receipt of that actual forensic report.
Well, I can say, we can send you a copy of it now. That's not the issue. I don't, and even if we set it for exam, I mean, it's gonna be set out. I'm doing exams in June.
Okay, that's great.
That's no time to look at it and do whatever you need to do with it.
Understood,
All right?
Judge.
All right, we got, Mr. Nassar, you got a copy of the October 14th report?
I do not, Judge.
Can you send them the?
Yes.
All right, I'm gonna put this over and we're gonna recall it. We're gonna send you the copy of the report, give you a chance to look at it, then we'll recall the case.
Yes, Your Honor. Thanks, Judge.
All right.
I need your emails.
I apologize, Kitty. I can give you mine. It's M Nasser, MNASSER at
Hold on. You said M?
Nasser, my last name.
Okay.
At Perkins Law Group, one word, PERKINSLAWGROUP.net, NET.
All right.
Thank you.
All right, Mr. Carter.
B Carter at WayneCounty.com.
All right.
Hi, Kitty, I'm back.
Hi, Ms. Bates. Okay, that case is gonna stay with Judge King. It's not coming here. Judge King has the older case.
Oh, okay. Well, we'll just keep our same dates we had.
All right, thank you.
Have a good one.
You too.
You too.
Bye, Judge.
Bye now.
CR439, Judge Giles calling. Come in.
Excuse me, Madam Clerk, I'm here on Lawrence Kelly.
1 second, please, she's on the phone.
Okay, I'm sorry, Your Honor.
All right.
Yeah. All right, thank you. What happened?
Mr. Hall checking in on
Is that motion?
You can call Mr. Reed and Mr. Foster.
You said who, Judge? Jimerson?
Yes.
Calling case number 2057428, the people of the state of Michigan versus Brandon Jimerson. Defendant number 1 is charged with count 1, weapons, firearms, possession by a felon. Count 2, weapons, ammunition, possession by a felon. Count 3, weapons carried concealed. Count 4, count 5, weapons, felony, firearm, habitual offender, second notice. The people of the state of Michigan versus Stefan Jimerson. Defendant number 2 is charged with count 3, weapons carried concealed. These matters are scheduled for examination.
Good morning, Your Honor. Assistant Prosecutor Blair Moody for the people.
Good morning, Your Honor. May it please the court, Daniel Reed, P number 30965, appearing on behalf of Brandon Jimerson. Mr. Jimerson, Brandon, would you please state your name for the record, sir? On the phone. Brandon Jimerson, state your name for the record, please.
Said he can't hear.
Mr. Jimerson, unmute your phone. Brandon, unmute your phone. State your name. You can't hear.
Said he can't hear anything.
Oh my God.
All right, that's all right. Mr. Frost, you're
Your Honor, if it may please the court, Wayne Frost representing Stefan Jimerson, P51-457. Mr. Jimerson is on the, would you state your name, Stefan Jimerson?
My name's Stefan Jimerson.
Thank you. All right.
This matter was set for an in-court exam, Your Honor, but because of the new restrictions, we know in-court exams are not going to be held at this time. So I guess all we can do is adjourn this matter.
Yeah.
Discretion.
And that is correct, Judge. This also is a case in which I need to write a letter to the gun board. This one got by me when they started the new policy. I went through all my files and wrote several gun board letters. This one got by me. I need to write a gun board letter, Judge. I have talked to Stefan Jimerson, and he informed me he's got everything ready for me. We will meet later this week, and I will get a letter to the gun board.
All right. Mr. Brandon Jimerson, can you state your name now?
Brandon Lee Jimerson.
Thank you. All right. We're going to reschedule this matter for in-person exam on June 22nd at 10:30. It's a good date.
That's a good date, Your Honor. We appreciate the court. And your understanding.
What time was that, Judge?
10:30 on June 22nd.
Thank you.
Thank you. Everybody stay safe.
Thank you. You too, gentlemen.
You know?
Oh, Mr. Hall, is that motion?
Oh.
Judge, I'm sorry, was that last one June 21?
No, June 22nd
Ah,
at 10:30.
June 22 at 10:30. Thank you.
Yes.
I got it.
Mr. Nasser.
Yes, ma'am.
Your email, is it an M or an N? It's just Nasser at Perkins Law Group or M Nasser?
M Nasser, M, please.
And Judge, I'm in receipt of that document, and I'm willing to stipulate whenever Mr. Nasser gets his copy.
All right, thank you.
Did you get it, Mr. Nasser?
Not yet.
No, it's not taking.
All right, you want to call Mr. Hall, please? Maybe we can try to do it again.
Oh. Oh, he was Kelly, right?
Yep.
Calling case number 2056243, the people of the state of Michigan versus Kelly Lawrence. Defendant is charged with count 1, robbery armed, count 2, weapons felony firearm. This matter is here on a emergency bond motion.
Thank you. Cyril Hall on behalf of Mr. Kelly.
Howard Mooney on behalf of the people.
Ma'am,
Hold on 1 second, Mr. Hall.
Thank you.
Okay. All right, go ahead.
Virtually, we stand by our motion in this matter. The defendant has 3 prior convictions. He has a stolen property conviction, he has a fleeing and eluding and a larceny, over $1,000 conviction, and he has this particular incident proceeding. No one was hurt in this particular matter. He's presently been in custody close to a year. He was in Oakland County where he was arrested, and the court made every effort to get him over to Wayne County. Now he finally got to Wayne County, but the preliminary exam is scheduled for, I think, in February or March. I'm sorry, Your Honor. And this is an individual that I would think that will reappear at any time designated by the court. So I just ask the court to give some consideration, and I leave it to the wisdom of the court. But I would respectfully ask the court to give consideration to $25,000 cash surety, 10%.
All right, Mr. Hall, I don't have your motion. All I have is a recipe saying that the motion was filed, but I don't have the actual motion.
Okay. I guess I would respectfully ask the court for an email address and we would send it right over.
You ready?
Yes.
ORQUIDIA@36districtcourt.org.
Okay, thank you.
Did he send it?
Oh,
Oh, yeah, it's. No.
Madam Clerk?
Yes?
I apologize. I did receive the report, and we are ready whenever this court will allow.
Okay. Oh, here it is.
Mr. Hall? motion coming?
Yeah, this is it right now.
All right. All right. Back on the record on 2056243, people of the state of Michigan versus Lawrence County. Mr. Hall?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, I received a copy of your motion. All right. Mr. Mooney, anything you wanted to add regarding?
Yep. Yes, Judge. This is charged as a robbery arm case. Also, the felony firearm while in commission of that reported robbery arm. It's reported here that essentially this gentleman was identified by the complaining witness, and this is the individual who went through her pockets while seated in an automobile, holding a gun to her side. Then he fled at that point in time. We would indicate that we would argue against the bond being reduced at this juncture due to the fact that this is the danger to society with this person. Apparently, she did not know this gentleman. It was a friend of the individual to whom she was with, of whom she was with. So at this point, we would indicate that he would be a danger to society and would ask that the bond remain as in place.
Your Honor, the discovery will further reveal that the parties were going to purchase some controlled substance, and then for whatever reason, there's an argument or a claim that a robbery took place, but council knows that that's what it's talking about, going back and forth to a drug house. They went to 2 drug houses and the like. My client may have an issue with controlled substances. Obviously, he's through with that at this point in time in light of the long period of time that he's been in jail. I've known his parents for a long time. Everybody's kind of disappointed in this young man, but we do not believe that he's violent, Your Honor. I would respectfully ask the court to give some consideration to a reduction. The amount of the bond right now constitutes preventive detention because the family doesn't have enough money to make that. They can make some bond. And that's why I respectfully ask the court for 25,000 cash surety, 10%.
All right, well, I'm not willing to go to 25,000, 10%. I'm willing to reduce the bond. At this point, the court will reduce the bond to, I'll reduce it to 50,000, 10% with the GPS tether.
Thank you very much, Your Honor. Do I prepare the order or does the court generate an order some kind of way?
I'm doing it right now.
Okay.
Judge, does the no contact remain in place with no weapons also?
So how are you going to have to impress upon your client, since he's not here, that he has to have no contact with the complaining witness, and that means through himself, through other people? You can't put anything about this on any kind of social media, Facebook, Twitter, whatever. All right?
I'll do that, Your Honor.
All right, thank you, sir.
Thank you very much, Ronald.
Thank you.
Oh, they didn't bring him on?
No.
He's on the jail list.
Probably. Okay, which one can we got? This other one, and
Oh, Graham, Demetrius Graham.
Graham.
Yeah, that's
what we're
that.
doing now. Yeah, I'm gonna get ready to do that. You ready? Oh, we ready?
So Tyrese Black is the only one. Ready on Graham?
Ready, Your Honor.
Recalling case number 2057796, the people of the state of Michigan versus Demetrius Graham. Defendant is charged with count 1, assault with intent to murder, count 2, assault with intent to do great bodily harm, less than murder, or by strangulation. Count 3, weapons, firearms, discharged from a vehicle causing injury. Count 4, count 5, count 6, weapons, felony, firearm. This matter is scheduled for a competency hearing.
Good morning, Your Honor. Brandon Carter on behalf of the people, P number 81584.
And good morning, Your Honor. Good morning to your staff. May it please the most honorable court, Mohammed Nasser, P74485, hearing on behalf and with Mr. Demetrius Graham, who also appears via Zoom. Sir, please identify yourself for this honorable court.
How you doing, court? My name is Demetrius Graham.
All right, both parties have had an opportunity to review the report on the State of Michigan letterhead Department of Health and Human Services Center for Forensic Psychiatry dated October 14, 2020, authored and signed by a Megan Rowland, consulting forensics examiner and licensed psychologist.
I'm sorry?
Yes, Your Honor, and the people stipulate to the findings of that report.
Thank you.
Defense has also received a stipulation, Judge, for competence.
All right, you stipulating to the results of the report?
Yes, Judge.
All right, based on those stipulations and the report, the court will find that the defendant is in fact competent to stand trial. And we're going to set this matter for exam. How many witnesses?
3, Your Honor.
June 22nd at 11:30.
Words for the people, Your Honor.
As for defense, Judge.
All right, if it's going to be resolved in some other way, just get back with the court and we'll do it on Zoom.
Sounds good, Judge. Thank you.
All right, thank you. Okay.
Thank you, Judge. You have a good morning.
Thank you.
Judge.
All right, thank you. Now take care, be safe. Okay. We got one more, it's 12 o'clock. You had an opportunity to try to call him, Kitty?
I'll call him in a minute.
All right, I must step away for a minute.
Okay.
Madam Clerk, this is Alfreda. Hello?
Hi, Alfreda.
Hi, did we do Brunius? Did we, Eric Brunius?
Who?
ARIC at 9 o'clock. The first name at 9 o'clock, last name Brunius.
You said it's under 9 o'clock?
Yeah, and there's a 2018 case. He has 2 cases.
No, I have Graham at 1 o'clock and Kenneth Thomas and Leandre White was the 9 o'clocks.
Okay, because this has, I don't know what they sent me, but it has Eric Brunius twice. First name.
When did they send that to you? Because it could be an old docket.
It probably is, because it said it was on here last week.
Yeah, that's old.
Okay, well that doesn't.
Yeah, when they send you guys them old dockets, it's, you know, they're not updated because changes are being made through the week, you know.
Yeah, probably daily, matter of fact.
Right.
So we only.
So all we have left, Alfreda, is Tyrese Black.
Okay. At noon.
Yep, that's our last one.
Wow, that's quite a while. Okay. Well, guess I'll hang out.
Yeah, I'm getting ready to try to call the attorney, see if he can log on early.
Oh, okay. I thought they sent y'all home.
Send who home?
Clerks. Wasn't it Thanksgiving week?
No, they didn't send us home.
It was an email that came. Oh, that was Joyce sent the email for the court was
The exam clerk still gotta work.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Guess it's too much to get y'all set up at home.
this attorney? Krieger?
Thank you for calling the law office of Loretta Krieger and also the law office of Michael Kenneth and the law office of Dominic Cerise. I'm sorry no one's available to take your call right now, but if you wish to leave a message, please dial the appropriate extension. For Mark Krieger, 20. For Didi Loren, 18. Your call is being transferred.
Uh-oh, I think I got the wrong one.
Hi, this is Mark Krieger. I'm either on the phone or away from my desk. But if you leave a message after the tone, I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If this is an emergency, you can call me on my cell phone, 313-590-2303. Thank you.
Okay, great.
Thank you for calling the law office of Loretta Krieger and also the law office of Michael Kenneth and the law office of Dominic Cerise. I'm sorry no one's available to take your call right now, but if you wish to leave a message, please dial the appropriate extension. For Mark Krieger, 20. For Didi Loren, 18. Allison Krieger, 11. Your call is being transferred.
Kitty, you may want to mute. You're still on live.
Yeah, I am when they answer.
Oh, okay.
Hello, you reached Allison Krieger. Sorry I'm unavailable right now. Please feel free to leave a message or
Which they're not answering. Are you calling me, Frida?
Yeah, you on the phone?
I'm calling another number. What's up?
Oh. So are they talking about Johnny that was at the front desk?
They're talking about who?
Johnny that he was being.
Yeah, the one that was at the front desk. Hey, Allison, how are you?
Aww.
Good. This is Kitty, Judge Giles' clerk. You have an exam today at 12 o'clock? Yes. Yeah,
Hey,
you
Kitty.
can do it now. Have you talked to your client? Can you get your client to log into? Okay, sounds good. Thank you. All right. Bye-bye. I'm sorry, Alfreda. What was it?
That's Johnny, and he was the court officer for Judge Robinson.
Was he? No, he was he got promoted to the project manager.
Yeah, but a while back, that's what he did. Is that the same Johnny?
Oh, I don't know who he was assigned to. It probably was.
Oh,
It probably was.
they might retired or something. He's a nice guy.
Yeah, it's sad. CR439, Judge Giles courtroom. Mm-hmm. Who's this? Oh, I'm sorry, Corporal. Yeah, we did him already. We were waiting, but yeah, yeah, I understand. Let me here it is. Oh, because his bond got changed. His bond got changed. Yes. Yeah, I didn't do it yet because we just did them, so. All right, thank you. All right.
Hey, Kitty, this is Blair. I'll be right back, okay?
Okay, Blair. 439, Judge Giles courtroom.
Hi, good morning. This is Allison Krieger calling you back.
Yes.
Hi, so I talked to my client. The issue is he's at work right now, and he's the only one working. He works at like a party store.
Okay, just log on, counselor. Just log on.
Okay, all
Log
right.
on to Zoom.
You know, he really apologizes, but, you know, I told him to.
Okay, counselor, just
Okay,
log
okay,
on,
all right,
please.
okay.
Thank you.
I hear you.
All
Okay.
right, bye-bye.
I was kind of giggling at that one. Okay, okay.
All right. This to do. All right. Did I do Monet Foster? Oh, Judge didn't sign it. That's Foster. Now I got Kelly. This should be my last bit. What up, Mom?
What's up?
You all right?
Yeah, you.
That's still doing zone.
Yep. Still doing it. Now,
None of the judges really been coming here, huh?
huh?
No judges really been coming here.
King and Giles are.
Oh, really?
Yeah, he's here. He just went to Stretch Lake.
Gotcha.
We're waiting on the last case.
So Buster's coming back on the 30th. Huh?
Well, he been here.
No, I'm talking about, in person.
The 30th of when?
This month. Remember? Everybody, the in-person supposed to resume the 30th.
I thought it was December 8th.
No, originally for us, the memo said the 30th, but then they extended it to the 8th. But the original memo said the 30th. Now it's extended to the 8th.
Oh.
So this is the extension one to the 8th. Probably keep
Oh.
getting extended.
That's right. You're right.
How you doing? Good. Doing real good. All right, yeah.
Is Allison on?
Allison?
Allison, Kruger?
No.
She's our last one. I called and talked to her. She said, I told her to log on.
All right, Mr. Strong,
Yes, Your Honor.
that case, it's gonna stay with Judge King because he has the oldest.
All right, thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. Thank you.
So the issue, Judge, now with that case is the other case you put on a docket for us for February 1st.
How much time? All of them go to Judge King.
So do I put them on the day he set them for? Should I ask him?
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know how he sent his docket.
Yeah.
You have February 1st at 1:30.
Well,
I mean, that'll open the day up for you,
yeah, I'm gonna take off here.
and I'll ask him about these. This is
February 1st at 1:30. That's a six witnesses on that.
Yeah, he might not be too happy.
I'm sorry.
Right. Oh, well. That's the way it goes.
Yep. I told you that I'm gonna be off on the 10th and the 23rd.
Yep.
And I'll be back between the holidays.
Yep, I'll be here.
Yeah.
I'll be here. I don't know what Bell's on, but I'll be here. Are you going anywhere? No.
Oh. Probably not. It's getting crazy out there.
I mean, yeah, I mean, it's really hard to even want to go anywhere.
So, I don't think we're going.
Because you feel like you're gonna take a risk, so
Yeah.
I don't blame you.
Probably just doing more work. Working at home, keeping the bathroom back together.
Have you gotten in touch with your?
Plumber? No.
Yeah. Still sick?
I don't know.
Oh.
I can't get them. So, I hate to bring somebody else, but he still got a lot of his tools and a lot of stuff there. Just laying there on the floor.
Oh, he must be sick.
Got my electrician come in and do what he needed to do, or some of the stuff he needed to do, at least for the bathroom. Come back for the kitchen. I wanted all new cabinets for the kitchen. Should have that in a couple of weeks. They make them here. There's a place, a company called Detroit Cabinet Manufacturing.
Uh-huh.
They, it's black owned, and they make the cabinets right here. Detroit, well, Highland Park.
It's in Highland Park?
Yeah, the factory's in Highland Park, but their main office is over on 7 Mile.
Oh.
Yeah, I mean, I went through some of everybody.
Well, it's taking them a long time. Are they like custom making them or something?
Yeah, they make them from scratch, everything.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. I was gonna say it's taking them a long time to deliver them then.
No, it's only, I just ordered them a week ago.
Oh.
They said it told me 3 weeks. The other places were telling me 6 to 8 weeks because they have to get them from wherever they get them from. One place they get them from China.
6 to 8 weeks, oh, well.
So I'd rather deal with somebody local because if there's a problem and it calls up, say, hey.
Yeah.
This is. They would charge twice as much.
So this Graham was found competent, right, Judge?
Yep.
Man, we had 3 competency hearings today? Jeez.
Yep. Oh, here she goes.
Tyrese Black. Good morning, Counselor.
Good morning.
You ready on Graham?
Mr. Black.
Oh, I'm sorry.
That's
I'm
okay.
sorry.
It's been a long time.
The other Mr. Graham.
Right, exactly.
Ready on Black?
Yes, ma'am.
Calling case number 2058604, the people of the state of Michigan versus Tyrese Black. Defendant is charged with count 1, weapons carrying concealed. This matter is scheduled for an examination.
Morning, Your Honor. Assistant Prosecutor Blair Moody for the people.
Good morning, Your Honor. Allison Krieger for Mr. Black, who is not present with us, and I accept responsibility for that because I had advised him to log in at noon, and he's at work right now and was not planning to take a break until noon, so I would ask to waive his presence and that you not hold against him what is unfortunately my error.
All right. Court will waive his appearance for the purpose of today's hearing. And we are rescheduling this, correct?
That's correct, Your Honor, for an in-person exam.
June 22nd at 9:30.
I can't imagine that I have any conflicts. June 22nd. Yes, that looks just fine, Your Honor. Thank you.
Thank you.
Very
Is this
good,
one
thank
of
you.
those done court cases, Ms. Cream?
So, yes and no. Unfortunately, Mr. Black, I mean, unfortunately, but unfortunately, Mr. Black is HIDA eligible and so cannot get diversion. He's ineligible for it. So, you know, I feel like I have an ethical and professional obligation to him to, you know, run what I've identified as an issue in this case, based on a Fourth Amendment violation.
Okay.
But if the gun board says that they would be willing to give him diversion, that would be a very, very difficult thing for me not to advise him to take.
All right. Okay, well, if anything changes before then, just contact the court.
I sure will. Thank you, Judge. I appreciate that.
Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Have a good one. Be safe.
Yeah, same to you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. That's it.
Is that a wrap?
That's a wrap.
What did we do with the Brunius matters at 9 o'clock?
Brunius,
Yeah, I got that on a docket here.
give me this docket. You did it. You show me.
Huh? Oh, I did it.
Brunius.
I'll show us Brunius.
Is
You
that
don't?
Eric?
Eric, yeah, yeah.
You must got an old docket.
Oh, okay. This is the one that was sent over by Miss Duncan, so. Okay.
Yeah, that was old. 'Cause
Okay.
We just did the PCCs on him.
Yeah, I think you did it at 11:25 or something.
Yeah, so that takes that exam date out because the judge sets his own exam dates.
Right. Okay, good. That's what I was
Yeah.
gonna say. It should be a PCC if it were up to date.
I mean, I wish they stopped putting them exam dates in the system downstairs. That's what they're doing.
Yeah, it's making it kind of confusing for all of us.
Yeah.
Okay, and then the two Jimerson matters we did. So
Yeah.
we should be all set. Okay, very good.
Okay. You have a good day.
But for the Brunius matters?
What about it? You want the new date?
Yeah, if you have it handy, that'd be great.
You have a case number? I can look it up.
Yeah, you know what? I can go on the ROA, Kitty. I'll just do it. I'm okay.
What?
Let me see.
You sure, Mr. Moody?
Yeah, let me see. I got two numbers here. There's actually two numbers.
He's got two cases, I think.
Yeah.
I can remember.
Yep. 1805924 902.
Okay, so that's it,
Looks
right?
like- yeah, that should be a wrap. We got the Jimerson. Let me see. Let me confirm. I don't have it written down. I don't know why I don't. Yeah, I've got them. 6/22/21 at 10:30. Okay, we're good.
All righty.
Thank you. You guys be safe. Have a great day. Okay.
You too.
Thank you.
All right. I'm gonna close this out.